Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Toyota Sienna entertainment system. First, power on the system using the dedicated button and adjust the screen brightness or volume to your preference. Connecting your devices is straightforward. Simply pair your smartphone via Bluetooth or plug it into a USB port. You can navigate through the various menus using the responsive touchscreen or the convenient controls on your steering wheel. The Sienna's entertainment system offers diverse media playback options. You can enjoy movies by inserting DVDs or Blu-ray discs into the player. For audio, stream your favorite music or podcasts wirelessly from your mobile device using Bluetooth. Additionally, utilize the HDMI inputs to connect external devices, such as a gaming console, for an enhanced in-car experience on long journeys. Beyond basic playback, the system offers advanced features for a customized experience. You can easily control the rear seat entertainment from the front display, managing what your passengers watch. For personalized listening, create distinct audio zones, allowing different passengers to enjoy their preferred content. Furthermore, implement parental controls to restrict access to certain content, ensuring a family-friendly environment for everyone. If you encounter any minor issues, a simple system reset can often resolve them quickly. For more detailed guidance or complex problems, always refer to your Toyota Sienna owner's manual, which provides comprehensive troubleshooting steps and solutions. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home audio experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.